There is not a magic way to learn English speaking instantly. For the learning of any skill, there have courses. The more you practice, the more you will learn. Hello my young minds, welcome again to this new session. Here are some tips that really make you learn English speaking quickly and easily. So I just beg you your acceptance for these tips so that these tips can improve your English speaking and communication skill. I think English speaking is itself a skill, and if really you have intentions for the achievements of a good English speaker, do practice, practice, practice. As we know that there is not a magic way to learn English speaking instantly. And so we have to give a lot of effort and energy for the achievements of good English speaking skill. There are many ways by which you can practice your English speaking. Many a times learners ask the questions to their coach that, sir, how can I practice English speaking at my home? Then listen, if you are in a class, then you should do your homework and study as much as you can. I think if you are not in a class and you are a housewife or a businessman and really you want to expand your business by learning English speaking, then there are many ways in internets. I think the possibilities of the internet in these days fortunately are giving a lot of sources to the learners by which learners can improve themselves in communication sector. And do you know, for the learning of any skill there have courses. Courses are good because courses makes the learners accountable and more active. But the question is that, sir, these all factors that you told us is not suitable for me for the acceptance. If you are a housewife and you have no time to take any courses related to English speaking, then you can practice English speaking with the help of internets and with the help of English speaking videos that are present in YouTube, and you can give your free time to learn this skill. So I will suggest to all of you that make a medium to practice English speaking yourself so that the English fluency can be achieved in your life. I think the more you practice, the more you will learn. There was an author. His name was Malcolm Gladwell. He proposed a statement that in order to become an expert at something, you have to practice thousands hours. So you can utilize your hours by giving your time listening the audio books and watching TV shows related to English, and you can learn the methods of translating from one language to another. I think the best way to achieve this skill is reading English literature book as much as your possibilities. And these are the realistic practice by which you can carve your English communication skill. And I think work hard and play hard whenever you are giving your time to learn any skill, and the English language is itself a skill, then you have to give a lot of effort by doing hard work and you have to play. Here you can listen some statements that how will you give your time to do a hard work. Hard work means not utilizing your energy, exhausting in the field just like an ox, but giving your maximum energy to read the English literature book and learning the methods of translating, study the materials related to English speaking that must build your communication skill. And the most supporting and best methodology is that you can activate your brain by doing creative writing along with a study. And I think in order to learn any skill, most fantastic and supporting methodology to learn any skill is doing your maximum activities in a practical ways. And here I am just giving you a stand suggestion that don't translate everything. Many a times I frequently noticed that our learners translate everything, and I think it doesn't punctuate your English speaking. Really, you want to learn English speaking, you have to speak orally with the help of the materials and the concepts that are already present in your mind. So avoiding these baseless concepts of translating everything is mandatory. Directly start English speaking orally with the help of the materials that is present in your mind, and the time comes that you will itself say, I am just getting fluency day by day. And at last I shall say to my all audience that do your all activities in practical ways. I think practice is the main things that really make you friends with your skill.